What is Live Wiremap and why is it important? On the Network Service Assistant Multifunction Qualification Plus tester, we have Live Wiremap in the Certi-Lite cable test. So I'm going to start by clicking into cable test here. And I've got my advanced link identifiers, remote terminators, already connected to a couple of ports here. I've got links of cable behind here, so we're going to do a quick test. I'm going to connect to the other end of the link for that first one, and we see we immediately get a wire map on our display. If I click into the middle of that wire map, it will tell me how far it is to that open and that short. So it becomes evident why it's so important to get the wire map up front before we run a test. When we do this, we know that there's a problem that we need to fix before running a test, so why waste the time running an auto test? In this case, it's about 14 to 15 meters. Now, I know that's on the other end of this link. I'm just going to switch these since I have access to both ends. You won't normally have access to both ends in the field, but I've got a demo set up here, so it makes it a little easier. I'm just going to click in the middle of that wire map again, and we'll see that this is going to be much closer to my NSA, which is over here off the screen. I've just got this cable going from the NSA, roughly 2.8 meters. So it's going to be just behind this first jack right here, and that's where the problem is. I can also look at other wire map issues. So if I connect to this one right here, we can see a cross where it's been wired A at one end and B at the other. And that's how you use the live wire map on your NSA to help expedite troubleshooting when you have a wire map problem. Please visit our website at www.aem-test.com for more information.